So yesterday is Tuesday morning and we can see that the gift nifty is actually trading in a flat or a bit of a negative range, we can tell. Okay, and also we can see that this is signaling our nifty market that it might open flat again today. So yes, from last couple of days we are seeing flat opening in nifty 50 and also a bit of a range bound or a sideways kind of a momentum in nifty 50. But anyway, let's see how the market will perform today. So anyway, if the market opens somewhere around 24,600, the resistance level is around 24,700 and the support point is somewhere around 24,500 to 24,450. Okay, so these are the levels what we have for today's nifty 50. So let's see how the market and where it will open for today. Okay, so we still have a time, so it's still around 8:50 a.m. now. We still have the market to we have still time for a market to open. Okay, and also there is an US Iran negotiation which is continuing to make the global risk appetite more in our nifty 50 market, and also there is rising crude oil prices which are likely to keep the market in a very cautious mode for today. Okay, so these are the news and these are the global cues what we have for today's markets. So let's see how the market will open and how it will perform for today. So in this video I'll be showing you my nifty analysis throughout the day, how I analyze it and everything, and also what is the stock I'll be taking and analyzing it. Okay, so I'll be sharing you all these things in this video, and please note that this video is completely for educational purpose and the securities mentioned for this in this video is also for educational purpose, not a recommendation. Okay, and I'm a trader from 12 years plus of experience and I trade completely without indicators. So if you guys wish to improve your trading skill and knowledge, do check out the description box. There is a link to connect with me personally on the Telegram. Just click on it and send me a hi and I'll be connecting with you guys. And also you can just go inside my profile and the channel to watch a lot of educational videos which I'm uploading from many years. You can also check out the shorts tab where you can see a lot of informative video even in shorts as well. Okay, so yes, this is about today's market opening, guys. So once the market opens, I'll tell you where the nifty 50 is opening today and now I'll be analyzing it today. Okay, so watch the video till the end to get all this complete information. So guys, the time is around 9:08 now, and as I was telling you, the pre-open market is opening flat today. So it's opening at 24,575, just 8.70 points down. Okay, so again, our resistance level is around 24,600 to 650. Those are the key resistance level, and on the upper side we have 24,700 to 24,800 as a resistance as well, and the support level is around 24,500. Okay, so let's see how the market will perform today. So advances are 16 and declines are 27. So that means out of nifty 50 stocks, okay, so 16 stocks are opening in a bit of a gap up section and 27 are opening in a bit of a gap down section and 7 stocks are unchanged. So that's what this data means. And this is gift nifty chart what you're seeing. So it's trading at 24,607. So this is just 24 points down. Okay, so let's see how the nifty 50 will perform today. So this is a nifty 50 chart and the blue line what you're seeing here is the price where the nifty 50 is opening in, that is 24,575. So I just draw a line there, so just for the reference. Okay, yes, now the time is exactly around 9:15 and the market opened, and you can see here as soon as the market opened there is a slight drop here. So it has gone down till 24,530 almost. Okay, so it's a bit of a big fall if you compare, so almost like 50 points down. Okay, as soon as it opened, so from 24,575 to 24,530. Okay, so yeah, let's see how the market will perform today. I'll be showing you the complete day analysis, and I've not yet selected the stock to trade. So now I just have to analyze and select the stock what I'll be trading today. So right now I've selected Nestle India stock to trade. Okay. So if the stock crosses above 1538, then it's a buying side trade, or if it crosses below 1525, it's a short sell trade. Okay. So as of now, I can see here the market is actually in a bit of a bearish side, and yes, it is starting to come
Nestle
down.
India,
You can see here it has triggered in the lower side of 1525 and the price is starting to come down now. So yes, so my sell side entry has been done here. So let's see how the stock will perform for today. Okay, And also if we see the Nifty 50 now, the Nifty 50 has come down almost till 24,500. So yes, almost 75 points down as of now, and let's see how the Nifty 50 will perform. And yes, the support level is somewhere around 24,400 to 24,450 level. But anyway, you can see now Nestle India is actually going in a bit of a bearish side. Yes, the price is continuously coming down here and it is coming near the target side. So let's wait for a few minutes and I'll be just taking the exit once it touches the target zone. Okay, and after this I'll be showing you my end of the day chart analysis, like how the stock has performed and how the Nifty has performed. So guys, yes, as of now you can see it has almost come down till 1515 almost. Okay, so almost 10 points down it has come now. So anyway, I'll just take the exit and I'll be showing you the end of the day chart analysis of how the stock has performed throughout the day. So of course the stock has a support level in the lower side of 1500. So let's see, will that take a support or not, and how the Nifty will perform today. Will the Nifty hold up to the support or not? Okay, so yes, this is my today's trade. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn and improve your trading skill and knowledge, do check out the description box. Okay, there's a link to connect with me personally. Okay, so anyway, this was my today's trade. So 18,000 crores were invested by the retail investors like you and me in six blue chip companies which were trading in a very downside. Okay, so those are like Infosys, Reliance, TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech, and ITC. So among these six stocks, the retail investors have invested 18,000 crores. Okay, so this is while the institutional investors are actually offloading the shares, the retail investors have boldly come up and invested in these stocks. So let me know if you guys have also invested in this kind of stocks, or what's your view on this. So guys, now I'll be sharing you some of the top news what I have in today's market. Okay, so firstly talking about gold ETF. So gold ETF sees 55% month on month fall in July inflow. That means in the month of July, the interest or the thing to invest in gold ETFs has been reduced by 55%. Okay, so in the month of June, people have invested 3,443 crores in gold ETF, but now in the month of July, that is the last month, they have invested only 1,559 crore. Okay, so it's down by 55%. Okay, so the inflow is cut down by 55% in gold. Okay, so now let's talk about the corporate earning news, what stocks they had in news for today. Okay, so MRF had their Q1 results today. So their Q1 result says that the net profit has slipped down by 2%, but still the revenue tops at rupees 8,200 crore. Okay, and Bosch had their Q1 result today. So the net profit is down by 36.8%. And Wakhat Q1 result is out. Their revenue is raised by 26%. And Gland Pharma also had their Q1 result and their profit is spiked by 47%. And Hindustan Copper, their net profit is raised by 162.4%. Patel Engineering Q1 result is also out today and their net profit is jumped up by 22%. And AstraZeneca Pharma, even this had a Q1 result today, which the profit has dropped by 32%. So these are some of the companies where they have shared today the quarterly result. Okay, so these are some of the top news for today, guys. Okay, so this is about the news what I have for today. So now let's look at the end of the day chart and end of the Nifty chart analysis of how the market and how the stock what I selected has performed for today. So yes, the time is around 4:30 now in the evening. So let's talk about how the stock has performed and Nifty analysis. So it's like end of the day chart analysis. Okay, and also I want to tell you guys that this is completely for educational purpose. Whatever the stock news I'm telling you or whatever the update I'm telling you, it's only for an update. Okay, it should be treated only as an update and educational purpose analysis, not a trading recommendation. Okay, so before you take any trade on this news based thing, so make sure you have a right skill and analysis. Okay, so this news is only for update and not an trade recommendation. Okay, so firstly now let's talk about the trade what I have done today. So that is on Nestle India. So somewhere around 1425 is where I short sold. Okay, so let me just draw that so that you understand how the price has performed. Okay, so 1425 somewhere over here is where we are taken the sell in morning, and later you can see how the stock has performed. The stock has come down all the way down till here. So if we quickly draw the lowest line, that is 1496.4 is where the lowest point is. Okay, so that's where it has touched, and later it has retraced after 12 o'clock, and again at the end of the day it has moved more further down till 1491. Okay, so this is how the prices performed today. The stock was completely in a downtrend. It went completely in a bearish side for today. Okay, so this is how the Nestle India stock has performed. So now let's quickly look at Nifty 50 chart and see how the Nifty 50 has performed. Okay, so this is how the Nifty 50 chart looks today, guys. So yes, it's a big fall in the first 15 minutes candle itself, as you guys can see. So opened around 24,575. So if you see in the morning, I drew this blue line. So this is the opening price. Okay, so from there you can see it has made a low of 24,488 in the beginning itself. Okay, this is the low what it has made at 9:30 a.m, and later you can see it just sustained in the completely downtrend itself. Okay, so the lowest point what Nifty 50 has touched for today is somewhere around 24,430. Okay, so that is the lowest point what it has made for today. So this is the lowest point. Okay, so from there you can see the Nifty has just consolidated. So these are the levels which I said you in the morning itself in the pre-market analysis, and market has consolidated there. It was completely sideways as well after 9:30, and it has closed somewhere close to 24,471 for today. So this is how the Nifty 50 has behaved for today. So from last couple of days it's been a bit of a sideways in Nifty 50. So anyway, let's see how the market will perform in the upcoming days. So this was my today's stock and Nifty analysis. I hope you guys like this video. Do give a subscribe and follow if you guys are enjoying my content, and any doubt, any question, you can reach out to me by going to the description and clicking on the link and chatting with me personally. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.